is able to sustain everything.
Kanitha wa AIC niguo koretwo gitongoria maundu ma kiroho mibango-ini ya mathiko ma Daniel Moi amu niguo ukoretwo uri kanitha wake kuma mwana munini na no kwahonokeire miaka-ini ya 40.
You allowed your people from now and forever.
Atungatiri mambiriirie na kwe ciana cia Mutigairi President ucio wa keri irekaniro makiuga uguo niguo president arutite mwerekera akiuga ni rio riari ihoya riake ria kwenda ciana ciake ciothe cithomage kirekaniro.
Alipenda Biblia, alisoma Biblia, na leo hii mzee Moi aliniambia tutabea watoto wake wote Biblia.
Hinde igeria ria kugarura thirikari muthikafu Washington augite President Moi ni amuhoreire thimo.
And he told me, Washington, my government is going, so I need your prayer, because he was a man of prayer. I knelt down on my knee, and after prayer I called back and I said, Your Excellency, tomorrow at midday you will be back in your leadership. And that's what God did.
Hinde ihuhokano cia kiuteti President niendete atungatiri thiini wa thingira wa iregi kuria ahoyagirwo atanambiria micemanio yake ya uteti undu uria muikariri giti wa komishoni ya kurwa na ungumania na uria wari mutongoria wa kanitha wa ACK Eliud Wabukala augite ni wonanagia winyihia wake.
And he told me, Bishop, I've called you. I'm going on a very difficult mission, starting here in Kakamega to Nyanza and to Kisii. Pray for me. Well, I was surprised because the president left his chair and knelt down.
Ameniambia najua wewe ni mtu wa maombi, nataka tuombe ofisi yangu, Mungu aibariki. Na tukapiga magoti na tukaomba.
Urarare mutongoria wa kanitha wa AIC na arathire ritaya mweri muhituku na murata wa hakuhi wa Moi muthikafu Silas Yego acokeirie President Kenyatta ngatho ni undu wa kuhaririria mathiko ma Moi na njira ya gitio kinene.
All things are working for good. Why am I saying this? It was good you never won 202. Who could have brought this great, burial ceremony for President Moi? So it was good you never won, so that you come.
Kanitha wa AIC niguo tongoririe igongona ria mahoya ma mwisho ma guthika mwiri wa president ucio wa keri wa bururi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, yetagwo Muitiriri wa Wangari.